Take 250 grams whole green moong and soak it for overnight. 2 roughly chopped tomatoes 130 grams. 4 roughly chopped onions 250 grams. Half teaspoon mustard seeds. 2 tablespoon coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 inch roughly chopped ginger. 4 roughly chopped garlic cloves. 2 bay leaves. 3 Byadgi Red Dry Chillies. So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333, and let's begin with our today's recipe. Take a pot and add 1 liter water. Now add moong and 1 teaspoon salt. Give it a stir and let it boil on high flame. Let it boil on low flame till the moong is cooked. Once it is cooked, turn off the flame and keep it aside. Take a pot and on low flame add 2 tablespoons oil. Add mustard seeds, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, Byadgi Red Dry Chillies, garlic, ginger, bay leaves. Now stir fry for 10 seconds on low flame. Add onions and stir fry for 2 minutes on low flame. Now add tomatoes and saute them for 10 minutes on medium to low flame. Turn off the flame and let it cool. Before adding the previously cooked material into the mixer, remove the stem of the chilli and grind it into a fine paste. Add 4 tablespoons water and grind it. Take a pot and add 3 tablespoons oil and add ground paste. Now stir fry for a minute on a low flame. Remove remaining paste by adding 100 ml water in grinder and add it into the pot and mix it well on low flame. Now add 1 teaspoon Bottle Masala, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder and saute for 3 minutes on low flame. Now add the boiled moong and saute the moong for 5 minutes on low flame. And also add the boiled moong water and mix it well. Now cover and cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon Garam Masala. Mix it well and let it boil for 3 minutes on medium flame. Now turn off the flame and green moong curry is ready to eat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!